up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Right, today I have a new hip-hop dance tutorial for you. So this song called Forever by Lil Mo. Okay, let's start. Alright, let's start. So for this, you gotta start 5, 6, intro, have like 4 8s. Except the other part of the intro. So for the official intro, you go like 4 8s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, turn 8, 1. One more time. So basically, stop, boom, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Next. Go 2, shoulder 3 and 4. Copy? One more time. So jump 8, 1, 2, 1. My count is wrong. Let's start from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Go back and 5 and 6, 7, 8. One more time that part. So jump 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. Good job. Next side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. One more time, I count always wrong. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yes. 5. One more time, huh? 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Copy? Let's do it from the second 8. 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. 5 and 6. Side 7, 8. Continue. 1 and 2, 3. One more time. From jump. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. What's this? 1 and 2, 3, and 4. 4, go 5, 6, down on 7 and 8. Good job. Let's try from here. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, shoulder 4, 5, up, down 8. From the beginning. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's continue. So from here, 7, 8, simple. 1, 2 to the front, 3, and 4. Step back on 5 and 6. Step your left to the front, shoulder, right first, 7, and close. One more time. So we end up 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Back 5 and 6, 7, 8. Very good. Let's go on. So 7, 8 side. 1, 2. Open. 3. Open. 5 and 6. And this is quick. 7 and 8. 2 more 8, guys. One more time. We go from, okay, from here. One more time. 7 side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And that's quick. 7 and 8. Okay? Let's continue. So 7 and 8. Shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lift your right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Continue this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stop. That's it. Let's try one more time. From after the 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, lift 5, 6, 7, 8, down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, stop. Yes. Let's do everything from the beginning. Ready? So 5, 6, 7, and stop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Side. 1, 2, 3, 4, back. 5, 6, slowly. 7. Side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, good job. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you like that video choreography. Please don't forget to share, like, comments on our video. Also don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.